Hello, good morning guys. So, welcome to another vlog. So, ngayon, kailangan namin maglinis dito sa labas kasi ubos na yung dahon. So, makikita nyo dyan, ubos na yung dahon, nagkalat sa baba, pati dito. So, kailangan namin maglinis siya at sa kabilang side. So guys, medyo malamig, hindi ko kaya, kailangan may hoodie. Paglalagyan natin ng basura ngayon, linisin natin mga dahon dyan, tsaka dito. Siya guys, tapos din. So ito yun, halos nakadalawat kalahati tayong bag ng mga dahon. So itatabi ko muna siya dun sa blue bin kasi baka mabasa ng ulan. Uulan daw in the next 24 hours. So ayun, tapos din. Medyo malamig, nakakaubo.
Today, we will decorate our Christmas tree.
We will put up our Christmas tree and we will decorate it. Right?
Yeah.
Up here. Okay guys,
It's time to put the Christmas ball.
okay. birthday ni Dat ngayon. So, bibili ako ng cake para sa kanya. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mabibili kong cake. Sana ma-surprise siya kahit pa paano. See you later.
Mommy's birthday.
Today is Mommy's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Are you 5?
Are you 10? Are you 20? Are you 20? Are you 25?
Are you 25?
Are you 30?
Are you 30?
Are you 35?
Are you 30?
Stop!
Are you 40?
Are you 41?
Stop!
A wish. Yay! So guys, ito yung ating birthday gift para sa ating birthday girl. Ayun, naghihintay na siya. Excited! Excited! Tingnan natin kung ano yung ating gift para sa ating birthday.
Wow!
Dugot pawis ang puhunan yan.
Coming from?
It's coming from... Whoops! Yan.
Look at this! Maybe this is a prank. It's a prank. Wow! May ganito pa talaga as in.
Tabi mo daw yan.
Tatabi ko to. Kasama sa bayad yan.
Kasama sa binayaran yan.
Oh, yung dalawang bata naging na-excite din sila.
It's watch.
Is that?
Sure?
What kind of watch?
Apple.
Apple?
Oh, really?
It's not orange watch?
Maybe this is strawberry. Maybe this is strawberry ang hirap. Wow!
What is it?
Wow! Yay! Series 1. Series 1. Wow, putol! Wala siyang putol siya. Ayan lang, charger. Then, walang strap. Ito yung strap. Pasensya naman. Wala sa bundok. Wala naman sa bundok ang pag-open nito. Ang hirap. Diyos ko, ang dami pa chichiburichi. Wow! Girl na girl ang strap.
Hindi pala yun. Kala ko yun.
How to return? No, this is an extra one. May medium small. Okay.
Alisin mo yung plastic sa likod. Ugaling Pinoy talaga. Ayaw tanggalin yung plastic.
Kasama pa natin to eh.
Kasama, may sensor yan eh. Iyan yung heart rate mo yata dyan. What can you say about your gift?
Pasensya naman, may message pa pala. Message to Daladat. Happy birthday, Be. I wish you good health and I love you. From Hinur. Apple Watch Series 6. Thank you.